أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Ba ya zir bi.
Faya Derby
Yes.
Hubi
Khobi.
Hubi
Then
Radu Zabaran
yes.
Hubi Run
Yes.
Wakufan Hi Hey Ne Wakufan Khubiro
Khabira.
Khubiro Zabara Haya Rohi
Yes, it is harf madda. We have learnt the takhti number 8 حروف مدة. حاء ألف زبر حاء. حاء واو بيش حو. حاء يا زير حي. So here we have حاء يا زير حي. حروف مدة. حروف مدة are longer. Yes.
Longer.
Yes.
Takes up two sides of the
Yes.
box.
Yes. So it became
Uh,
Rahi. Then
Go to their kin
no.
rohin
Shabash.
Okufan rohi
Rahiq.
rohik
Why? Why I said q? I gave the jerk to the voice. Jerk to the sound. Why?
there's no the other there is out
It is qalqala, auntie. You forgot? It is qalqala.
kalkala
There are 5 huruf qalqala. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal.
of ba jim
Dal.
dal
Yes. And when we do waqaf on these huruf, we must give a jerk to their sound. We must shock them. Qaf, ta, ba,
of
jim, dal. قاف طا با جيم دال حروف قلقلة.
harufi kalkala
رحيق.
rohik
Okay, next.
sheen
Yes,
zabarsha
yes.
two or ha
Two eyes. Two eyes are for
ha
ha only. Yes.
ha there he ha there he
Shabash.
ya he
No. Sheen zabar sha. Haya zir he. Now what became?
she he
She and he. No.
shahi
Shabash.
I mean shahi
Yes. Shahi.
shahi
And then
daldo peshtun
غنة. دال دو پیش دون.
dal
Tanween. Chapter number
dal
5 was about Tanween, and where we learned that two zabar, two zer, and two pesh always will form a gunna. They always will form what? Gunna.
ghunna
شهيد
Shahidun.
وقفا.
Wakufan. Shihdi. Shihidun.
She cannot be he, okay?
Oh yeah.
Can she be he?
Nay.
Okay. شهيد
Shahid.
وقفا شهيد.
Shahid.
Okay. There is
Oh
a
yeah.
whole open mouth.
Looks like a
C.
sea.
Looks like a
Sea. And
C.
a claws of a bird, like
Yes.
eagle and cheese. It looks
Panja.
like it's
Yes.
upside down.
Yes. Their feet. The feet of the bird. You mean that, okay?
Okay.
When you say the claws of the bird, you mean their foot.
J.
Am I right? Yes. So, Ain, this is Ain, not Ha. Ain Zabar'a.
I'm zebra.
Yes.
Um. Two zero three.
Zoya Zerzi.
Boya zero we.
Yes.
Twi.
Azwi.
Azwi. Okay. Wakufan.
There is
I
Meme.
mean,
Meme remains.
meme do. Meme do. Zero. Mihimun.
Meme Dozer Min.
Meme do. Zermin.
عظيم
Azimin.
وقفا
Wakufan.
عظيم.
Azim. Let me tell you why they call the meme and ma. So not like the first beginning letter ma, because it looks kind of like a mouse. Got tail,
Mm.
ये tail
Yes.
है.
Yeah.
और ये where आपका food digest.
सही बात है. Yes, this is
Next
interesting. This is interesting. MashaAllah. Okay. خبيرا
خبير
وقفا
وكفر
خبيرا
خبير
رحيق
رقيق رقيق
رحيق
رقيق
وقفا رحيق
وكفر رقيق
شهيد
شهيد
وقفا شهيد.
وكفر شهيد.
So when we say shaheed, actually we perform what?
वो क्या था कलकला
Yes. عظيم
عظيم
وقفا عظيم.
وكفر عظيم.
Okay.
एक
Now,
second.
yes.
You know what the meme what I did? So you know this is called kalkala. एक second. ये एक second. ये वाला dal. So
Yes.
it's called kalkala for a reason. Because
Yes.
you know it sounds kind of like calculator. If you turn it upside down and get do fish out and it becomes an N. Numbers. You do math
Yes.
with numbers. A calculator have numbers.
Yes. So the calculator and the qalqala, they sound familiar.
Ji.
Hmm. You find very interesting points.
Ji.
MashaAllah. Okay.